Hi guys, welcome. Welcome to MENG 9999 Engineering Orientation. Ideally, you would have gone through the course outline which was posted on your Schoology account, but if you haven't, I'm just going to quickly go through it with you right now, and I hope that when you get a chance, you could go through it in much more detail. So my name is Dr. Scylla Pemberton, and I am the coordinator for Engineering Orientation. This course replaces Introduction to Engineering, which has been a part of the mechanical engineering programs since the 1970s. Engineering orientation, the main change between Introduction to Engineering and Engineering Orientation is a new focus on engineering entrepreneurship. The method of instruction is also a bit different in that you're going to have a lot of your material online and you would be expected to go through the material before coming to class where you will apply that material. The other major change is in your assessments. Your assessments are going to be 100% coursework, whereas in Introduction to Engineering, there was an exam, a final examination that was 75% of the marks. So let us go on to the course outline. So this course is in blended format. It will be both face-to-face and online. Classes, right. It will be both face-to-face and online. If you need to contact me, the best way is by emails. I answer my emails immediately or within 24 hours. If you have not received a response from me within 24 hours, then you can assume that maybe you made an error with my email address, so it never came to me, or for some reason, maybe I had a swamp of emails, it was overlooked. Feel free to send me another email if you do not see a response from me within 24 hours of sending your email. So, I hope you will enjoy this course. It incorporates a lot of the traditional aspects of Introduction to Engineering, such as historical development of engineering, the formation of the engineer, role and functions of the engineers, professional organizations. You are going to be doing technical communications, ethics, liability, safety, legal forms of association, contracts, intellectual property protection, engineering economics, business operations, engineering entrepreneurship, and sustainable development. I urge you can go through the information on My Learning at your own pace. You have information, you have materials in all of the different areas that are listed here in your course description, and you feel free to browse through it at your own pace. Come to the classes because that is where we will cement everything and it will assist you in getting your assignments done. In the course outline, you will then see the rationale for the course. The course aims graduate, UE graduate outcomes, where we hope to have you as critical thinkers and creative thinkers, and we hope that this course could set you very well on your path to becoming a critical and a creative thinker. Next, you'll see course learning outcomes, and this is very important. These are the things that we expect you will have acquired and be able to do at the end of this course. And you can see that there are 8 course learning outcomes. Next, we have the program goals and the course learning outcomes matrix. And this programs level learning outcomes are from the accreditors, IMechE, and it is mapped against the course learning outcomes, and so that you could see that all of the learning outcomes for the course should contribute to the degree that you will get, this accredited degree that you will get at the end of your 3 or 4 years with us. Next, your assignments. So you have 3 assignments. There's a major assignment that consists of different parts. That's assignment 3. Assignment 1 is a videotaped presentation, and it is based on modules 1 and 2 of the course. And assignment 2 is an individual report based on a site visit. It's also based on modules 1 and 2, together with some of the other modules later on in the course. And then you have assignment 3, which is a business plan, but it incorporates other sub-projects, such as proposing a design for a new product and building a model of that design. You have to write a technical description for it, and then you have to do a basic business plan for it. This is a group assignment, but it's worth 60% of your marks, so it's a major part of this course. So if you're not yet familiar with the university grading scheme, here it is presented. This is the number of marks you need to get, A, B, or C, and we have 3 different categories of F, which is essentially a fail. But, you can speak with your advisor for them to tell you the ramifications of getting any of these F1, F2, or F3 scores. I already explained to you the teaching strategies. We're going to be doing a lot of activities. This course is highly participative. So if you do not engage in the course, it is likely you won't benefit from it. It's likely that you would not get the kind of marks you expect to get for the projects. Also, we try to do a lot of the work in class. So that will save you from having to go and start from scratch, learning the work outside of class to be able to put your projects together. So we try to do a lot of work in class. What you need to do outside of class is to review the material that I've already uploaded to Schoology for you. So the next part of this course outline is your course calendar. Class times are from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Tuesdays and 8 to 9 a.m. on Thursdays. You are required to participate in the lectures and workshops and tutorials in order to perform well in this course. So you can see what we'll be covering each of the different days. We have a number of guest lectures. You need to cover some of the online presentations. I've listed them where they occur, and these are the activities that we'll be doing in class each of the different days. Make your life a little easy for yourself and just come to class so that we could get through a lot more of the work in an easier manner. Lastly, I want you to carefully go through this section on university policies and expectations regarding academic integrity. So thank you very much. If it is you have not read through this course outline, I ask you to please read through it in some detail. It will assist you as you walk through this course, and I hope you enjoy the course.